This is a prototype of a new reusable zip tie concept called the Next Gen Zip Tie. It features a side open head design that permits easy attachment, quick release, and reusability of the tie. This is a prototype made by GoProto out of Portland, Oregon, using the new HP multi-jet 3D printing process. This is a nylon 12 based material. A production part of this next gen zip tie would probably be molded using a slightly softer polymer, but the multi-jet process has enough detail and strength and flexibility that I can demonstrate the concept at a very reasonable price without the need for a casting mold.